Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So this is the latest update, my friend, of Cardano, because Cardano is starting moving upward. Definitely, my friend. But this time you can see here the last 24-hour update is on the screen. Minus 7.59%. They fell down. So what's the big reason, my friends? So they fell down. But in the last 24 hours, they moving upward like a rocket. So definitely, my friends, it's priority for Bitcoin also, my friend, this time. But definitely in the last 24 hours, my friend, why they fell down? You can see here this time in the last 24 hours they completely fell down. So the main big reason, my friend, I explained you. But before I start the video, I request you, my brother, kindly subscribe this channel, kindly subscribe and press bell icon for latest news and updates. Kindly subscribe and like this video. Alright, if you can see here, my friend, this time the last 24 hours change occur minus 7.85%, and the price is 1.81 USD dollar, my friend. But our target is 2 USD dollar, my friend. I hope this time you can see here the price is come to 1.62 USD dollar. But I hope, my friend, in the upcoming 24 hours they give you just it only 2 USD dollar. Yes, if you just only hold it 24 hour, my friend, I hope they give you 2 USD dollar. So there is no option, my friends, to use sell it, because this time the price is going to be very cheap. If you have any plan, my friends, to buy more Cardano, then exactly this time the price is very cheap, my friends. So kindly hold it, buy it and hold it, my friend, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. So the main reason is that this is the start of month, therefore they fails down. And the second reason is that especially the short time investor, they're starting selling, so therefore they are fails down. But I hope, my friend, when they're starting buying, then exactly, my friends, they're starting moving upward. So the good time is coming soon, my friend. Kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope they make you millionaire. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.